Hi there, welcome to our channel. So recently, few gaming phones have been certified and one of those is the Black Shark 4. This phone has recently been certified by China's TENA, highlighting some key specs like the display, battery, processor and dimensions. So without waiting anymore, let's get started. First, let's begin with the dimensions. The device will measure almost similar to previous Black Shark devices, with the height being 163.83mm, width 76.35mm and thickness of 10.3mm. Yeah, it's a bit thick, but gaming phones are inherently thick. Display-wise, it will get a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with high refresh rate. If we compare that with the upcoming ROG Phi's 6.78-inch panel, then it's slightly small. Also, it seems ROG Phi will have higher refresh rate compared to Black Shark, but that's just speculation. Battery for this phone will be 4500 mAh with 120W fast charging. Yeah, that's some insane charging speed. The phone can charge completely in less than 15 minutes. So basically all you have to do is charge for 15 minutes and play for hours. However, Asus took a different route. They will provide a big battery of 6000 mAh but with a charging speed of only 66W. It will definitely take longer to charge but will offer longer battery life. So which one do you prefer? Do comment. Powering this phone will be the Snapdragon 888 chipset with at least 8GB of RAM. By the way, it has scored 788,505 points on Antutu. As for connectivity, the smartphone will support 5G and it will run Android 11 with Joy UI on top of it. That said, we expect to learn more about the Black Shark 4 in the coming days as the brand has been teasing it officially for the past few days. Like any other Chinese brand, we believe that Black Shark will reveal the design of its upcoming smartphone while announcing the launch date. But expect the design to remain similar, at least that's what we believe. So that's it for now. For more info, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.